Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about Creators Alliance, if it's a scam or if it's legit. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Creators Alliance has been the subject of significant scrutiny over the months or years, with numerous reports suggesting it operates as a Ponzi scheme. The platform promises users earnings for completing simple tasks such as watching videos, but concerns have been raised about its legitimacy. So there's a few key concerns here. So number one is a lack of transparency. Creators Alliance does not provide clear information about its ownership or executive team, raising questions about its credibility. Number two, Ponzi scheme characteristics. So the platform business model appears to rely heavily on new investments to pay returns to early investors, a hallmark of Ponzi schemes. Users are encouraged to invest crypto, which promises of high returns, and earnings are generated through simple tasks like watching videos. However, these tasks seem to serve as a facade, with actual returns dependent on the influx of new investors. Number three here, regulatory warning. So authorities in various regions have issued advisories about Creator Alliance. For instance, the Financial Intelligence Authority of St. Lucia highlighted concerns about the platform, and discussion on social media have labeled it a multi-level marketing Ponzi scheme. And also users' experiences. So reading online, some users claim to successfully withdraw funds, others report difficulties, suggesting inconsistencies. Operations, such mixed experiences are common in schemes that rely on continuous recruitment of new participants. So now, given the lack of transparency, characteristics of a Ponzi scheme, regulatory warnings, and mixed user experiences, it is advised to exercise extreme caution with Creators Alliance. Engaging with such platforms carries significant financial risk, and potential investors should conduct thorough research and consider seeking advice from financial professionals before involvement.